Ensuring your hard hat is in good condition is crucial for your safety on the job. Let's go through the key steps to maintain your hard hat effectively. Regular inspections are vital. Perform a visual inspection before each use. Here's what to check for. Look for any cracks, dents, or deep scratches in the shell. Examine the suspension straps for any fraying or damage. Ensure all parts are secure and not missing. Check for signs of UV damage or color fading. If you find any damage, replace the affected parts immediately. If the shell is compromised, replace the entire hard hat. Replacing components at the right time is essential for maintaining your hard hat's effectiveness. The suspension system should be replaced every 12 months or sooner if it shows signs of damage. Replace Sweatbands regularly based on wear and comfort, typically every few months. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the shell, but generally, it should be replaced every 5 years or immediately if damaged. Avoid exposing your hard hat to chemicals like paints, solvents, or adhesives, as these can weaken the material. If your hard hat does come into contact with chemicals, clean it immediately and inspect for any signs of damage. Never make unauthorized modifications to your hard hat. Do not paint it unless you are using manufacturer-approved paint. Avoid drilling holes, applying stickers, or making any other modifications that could compromise its integrity. By following these guidelines, you can ensure your hard hat remains in optimal condition, providing you with the protection you need. Stay safe and diligent on the job. Contact us today for all your PPE needs.